After the weekly close at the end of Sunday, Bitcoin tanked. The cryptocurrency rapidly fell from the $7,200 weekend highs to a low of $6,580, all over the course of an explosive 3-hour drop. With this, dozens of millions of BitMEX long positions were liquidated, forced to close as sell-side pressure mounted. Bitcoin has since stabilized, trading at $6,725 as of the time of this article's writing, in line with the slight recovery in the value of the S&P 500's futures, which fell as BTC fell earlier this trading session. Analysts, however, are fearful that a further drop is on the horizon. Mohit Sorout, a partner at crypto hedge fund Bitazu Capital, believes Bitcoin is in the midst of forming a valid head and shoulders top on its 1-hour chart after the recent volatility, adding that the indicator is one of the most reliable classical patterns. The chart he shared indicates that the cryptocurrency is following the textbook chart pattern to AT, forming 3 consecutive tops in a shape that resembles the head and shoulders of a human while printing consecutively lower bout of volume. Sorout, who called Bitcoin's recent rally to $7,200 when the asset was trading at $6,800, sees BTC falling to $6,000 if the textbook pattern plays out in full. To add to this, another popular crypto trader suggested that Bitcoin is in the midst of falling below a textbook bearish chart pattern that marked the $10,500 top in February, a rising wedge. Should BTC trade as it did after it fell out of the previous wedge, it is in for a steep correction, many traders are fearing. The fears of Bitcoin undergoing an even more deep correction have been compounded recently with suggestions that last week's candle closed at shooting star, which are often seen at the top and bottom of trends. This recent shooting star may signify a top, then a reversal back to or to near the lows. All these signs in confluence add to the sentiment that BTC is not yet done falling. Traders are preparing for this opportunity. In the 3 hours after the drop began, BTC-denominated open interest on BitMEX's Bitcoin market has risen by approximately 3,000 coins from 71,000 to 74,000 while the price has sunk, skew.com data indicates. Although it isn't clear what side traders are taking, short selling seems to be ramping up as TensorCharts indicates that throughout this drop, the expected funding rate on BitMEX positions has fallen from -0.0112% per 8 hours to -0.0845%. As shared by popular crypto trader CL.